This is how my agency, Digital Ranch, uses AI to craft positioning and marketing messaging. Using our GPT you can use today, you can position your solution or offer. Positioning is the foundation for every ad, product launch, and brand decision. It kind of gives your brand a reason to exist. And we really believe in the three-room strategy. It's primarily for B2B, business-to-business offerings, but really what it does is it helps you flip the script and look at things from your end user's perspective. And so we're just going to use this GPT to do a quick run through. We're going to pretend as if we're creating a one-page website, and we'll start with the context at the top and move through the three rooms as we go down the page. To do that, we're going to use this company, this pretend company, Build Sync Solutions. It's a construction project management software company, differentiated with mobile-first design for crew leads. It's more usable, predictive analytics, seamless integration. But even knowing these differentiators, how do you position this? Let's jump right in. Under GPTs, if you type in megaphone, this is called the Messaging Megaphone Coach, and it should pop right up. That name comes from turning the sales funnel on its side into a megaphone, creating a message that your customers love to repeat. It's great for organic growth, for solidifying who you are, and without it, it's easier to just lose opportunities, customers, and having a background in product, even make worse product decisions. You really need to know who you are, what you're solving, and what you stand for. So let's jump right in. The deck is on our website, but without reading that whole deck, you can say, hey, what is this framework? What's it all about? How do I kind of think about how to go about this? Okay, here we go. We talk about the transitions from room to room. It asks, would you like me to help you draft messaging for each room tailored to your product? So you can see how this looks like in practice. Yes. Also, here is context. We're pasting in all of that information from the fictitious company. Great. Now, this is great because it can one-shot an answer, which can help you see what success might look like. And that's good. You can go ahead and start experimenting with ads and with A/B testing landing pages with that. But really where I see the value in this is it can be a thought partner. You can go back and forth. Here we have a first draft of kind of what some of that copywriting might look like for the framework. Here we go from room 1 to room 2. Let's see, room 2, mid-sized construction firms need a way to keep every team aligned, from project managers to on-site crew leads. Okay, it looks like it's talking about pain points. Let's jump to the end of there. When teams can collaborate seamlessly, construction companies not only meet deadlines, they increase profitability and win more bids. There you can easily see it talked about what is going on in the user's world today, how that impacts them, and it closes out before talking about the solution with the impact that they can have. That's really where this is great. The deck includes some other strategies. Here it's asking if we want to use one of those. I'll say sure. Hook Story Offer is more of an advertising framework, but it operates better when it can look at a core messaging framework aligned with who your customers are, how you're going to acquire them, your price, your differentiators, everything that makes you uniquely positioned. So that's it. Feel free to check it out today, and we'll be back with more here in a bit.